1955 Chevy Sport Coupe, been fully restored back in the mid-80s. It's AACA Senior Certified. It has the badging on the grill. Regal turquoise with India ivory on the outside, with matching interior. It's all been redone. All the appointments on the seats, the foam underneath, all the metalwork in the seat framing has all been redone. The door panels, the dash is correct. The original radio. Come back to the trunk area. All redone. The correct spare. All the parts on this vehicle are correct. It's been judged. The last time it was shown was in the winter of 2022 preservation class, where it won first place in its class. The original engine is the 265. This car has some blemishes here and there in the paintwork. There's some on top of the fenders and so on, some on the quarter panels, a little bit under the tail light. Just a real nice car that was done years ago. Nice clean driver. Number 2 condition. So for anybody that wants to get out and have a little fun by itself, a 55, one of course the Tri-5 Chevys. We're all taking it for a spin. Enjoy your weekend, do some car shows. We're going to sell it. Great person at the right price.